Hi everyone, welcome back. So now we go to week 6 part 4 video, which is in this video we will learn how to determine nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. To revise the method of how can we compute roots of quadratic equation, we have here four types of method. The first method is by using factorization, and the second method you also can use quadratic formula, which is quadratic formula is given by x can be computed using negative b plus minus the square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And the third method is completing the square. And the last method is by using graphical method. By using graphical method, you can observe from the graph where fx function cross x exists. Roots of quadratic equation, it has its own nature. So the nature of the roots of quadratic equation depends on the value of b square minus 4ac, which is this formula, this b square minus 4ac, we also call it as discriminant. And the nature of the roots. If this discriminant is greater than 0, we said that we have two distant real roots, which is real and different. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, so we have two equal real roots, which is our root is real and equal. But if we have b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so we will have here two distinct complex roots, which is our root is non-real and different. To ensure your understanding, let's do this for example. This example asks us to determine the nature of the following quadratic equations. So we start with the example 1. In this example, we have quadratic equation 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. To check the determinant of the nature of the solution, we need to use discriminant, which is given by formula b squared minus 4ac. And this formula we have to check whether it is greater than 0, it is equal to 0, or it is less than 0. In this case, we have here our A value equal to 3, our B value equal to 2, and our C value equal to negative 1. When we substitute all this value in this discriminant, we have here 2 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 1, which is here, we'll got the answer equal to 16. In this case, our discriminant is greater than 0. When discriminant is greater than 0, the nature of the solution is roots have a real and different. For example 2, we have quadratic equation x squared plus 16x plus 18. In this case, also we can check nature of the solution by substitute a equal to 1, b equal to 16, and c equal to 18 in discriminant formula of b squared minus 4ac, which is equal to 16 squared minus 4 times 1 times 18. When we solve this one, we will got the answer equal to 184. In this case, our discriminant again is greater than 0. So we have here real and different roots. For third example, we have quadratic equation 5x squared minus 64 equal to 0. In this case, our a value is equal to 5, our b value is 0, and c value is negative 64. When we substitute all value in discriminant of b squared minus 4ac, we got here 0 squared minus 4 times 5 times negative 64, which is, in this case, we got the answer 1280, that is greater than 0. So our conclusion, roots are real and different. Now let's determine the nature of last example of quadratic equation, which is 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. In this case, we have A equal to 4, our B is negative 12, and C is equal to 9. When we substitute in discriminant B squared minus 4AC, we have here negative 12 squared minus 4 times 4 times 9. In this case, when we solve, we got the answer equal to 0. So, we can conclude we have real and equal roots. To recap what we have learned so far, we have learned introduction to 1, 2, and 3-dimensional coordinate system. We'll also learn linear equation and how we can graph linear equation. We learn quadratic equation and how we can plot quadratic equation. And the last week, which is week 6, part 4 video, we have learned nature of the roots of the equation. So, to ensure you understand this week, please do exercises week 6 and also weekly quiz. Thank you and see you in week 7 video.